What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guys, it's me, Jerry, watching Where's Garage. And today, like you guys see in the description, going to be installing camber arms for the rear for the mazdaspeed. Not for my car, but for this car. Yes, you guys remember I did a fuel pump, intake manifold, injectors on this car, and some other stuff. But yeah, it's on this one, not mine. I'm gonna do that too on mine, but I've just been lagging. But this is the Corksport one. As you can see, it's right here. It has the other one right here, and then it has your little, you put inside for like this, put it in like that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put that on your mazdaspeed. Alright, welcome back to you guys. So yeah, today's a new day. I'm at work. There's a spot where you can get it on doing it on the floor, but it was late and I just say no, I won't do that work. So I'm on the passenger side, so there's that bolt right there and this one, and it looked like I can put a long extension in and just impact it out, and then loosen this, then take that one out. So I won't do that, then I come back to you guys, then we get to the driver's side and I'll show you guys what to do on that side. So on this is a 17, I have an impact right here, 17. All you do is pull it out. So before I pull it out, I'm just gonna loosen that one, and then I can take it out and I'll get back to you guys. So got one out. So what you want to do is when you get them out, you want to pretty much put it as stock before you do alignment. So which I have it right here. So you see the two bolts line up, things line up. See, lines up, and that's why the bolt right there lines up. So next step. So with these, so they go in like this on both sides. Put the other ones on this side, then the other two on this side. So I'm about to do that and put them on and put this back on because I'm kind of on time limit because I'm on lunch right now. So I'm gonna do that and I'll get back to you guys. And there you go, it's on. So you do need to put tension up because once you take them off, the rotors and everything will go, the stress will go down. So just keep that in mind. If you have a jack or one of these, yeah, you want to put it on, but that's how you put it on. And once you do put it on, you just move this up and it will come up. Then you just line it and put it in. So I already tightened the top. I'm going to tighten this, then we go to the next side. All right, so I already have the bolt out. It's just what you guys want to do on this side. This is a difficult one. So flashlight, so you guys can see. So you see this bracket right here? So you get a pry bar and just get it from the corner. You see the little circle thing right here, the circle? You get it like in the corner right here and you pull back and bend it back so you have enough room to get that bolt out. Once you do that, it's gravy from there. Then already have it out, you just loosen this one right here, and then it comes out and you put a new one. Boom, you're done. So I'm gonna do all that and I'll get back to you guys. So have it out. So again, just make sure it's even. I already tried it, it's even, but I'm just showing you guys so it's even. Even. That's all you gotta do, and then you guys can put it back in. So we'll do that right now and get back to you guys. And there you go. Arm is on, it's tightened. So on this side, invest into one of these ratchet ones. So on this side, you will need it for this side because you can't get no power tools or anything else in there. So I recommend getting one of these and make your life more better. But everything's good. There you go, tighten up. So I am done. I'm gonna do 2 tires for them. So thanks for watching, guys. That's how you put your rear camber on your mazdaspeed 3. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys haven't. All right, guys, see you in the next one. And that's how you guys put the rear camber arm on your mazdaspeed 3. Sorry I didn't show. I showed enough where you can see what to do. I was at work on my lunch, so I had to hurry up. It took me probably like 30 minutes do both sides. Like I said, I had to do that and do 2 tires for my homie, and then after that I had to do alignment. So I got all that done in an hour. But it takes doing that, the rear camera arm takes about 25 to 30 minutes. Like it might take a little bit longer when you're at home doing it on the floor. Like I said, the passenger side is easy. The difficult side is the driver's side is easy, but the passenger side is the one that's difficult one, because you have to get a crowbar and bend the corner piece up or back so you can get the bolt fully out from the camera arm part from the top. But once you get that on out, it's all gravy throughout there. Even when you put it back in, the bolt goes in smoothly. The ratchet I was showing you, the 17 ratchet, you want to get one of those for sure, because you can't fit no power tools or nothing in there. So definitely get one of those. But yeah, once you get that, you get it done pretty quick. It don't take that long to do. That's how you guys do it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Let me know in the video at the bottom. Let me know what you guys think about this video. As I said, I was gonna do it on my car too. I've been lagging on it. Definitely need to get it since my car is lower. I'm on coilovers. He's on just lowering springs, but he got it. So I will show you guys how to do it. I mean, his is mazdaspeed 3.2. I know some of you guys will want to see me doing it on my car, but I just see it's the same thing. But eventually I'll probably show another video of the game once I get those criminal arms, because I will get those. I'm actually thinking about getting BC coilovers and doing that on my car and taking the D2 coilovers out. But yeah, that's how you guys do it. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment below. Let me know what you think about the video. Subscribe if you haven't. More stuff coming for you guys. I've been getting messages on my Instagram from the G35 and the 350Z guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. Hit me up and ask some questions about you guys' car and stuff like that. My mazdaspeed people, don't worry, I got stuff going for you guys too. I didn't forget about the mazdaspeed. You know, that's my baby right there. Just know, you guys know, got the G35. I think it would be I just added onto the channel because something to do with that car too. So more content for you guys for both sides, mazdaspeed and the G35. So yeah, but don't worry guys, I still doing stuff for the mazdaspeed. Just gotta show some love for the G35. But thanks for watching. See you in the next one.